Hey everyone, as promised, I'm going to do a video going through the Boss SY-200 with just a little bit of reverb from my Fender Passport, and I have my Joyo American, which is based off of Fender amp models. That is going to take the place of an amp. And then I have this Jackson Dinky Pro from, I believe, 2014 with Seymour Duncan JBs. So here is my first tone. One moment. I have the first switch so that it toggles through the settings, the presets, and the second switch does some kind of control function for each one of the presets. So I will go back and forth between just the pedal and the pedal with the Joyo on, and I will let you know when I switch the preset. So the first one is lo-fi phase. Here it is without the Joyo. Next is Game Duel. With the American. Dark bass with the American. Without. Sensitive pitch. Sync phase lead. Saw lead. chromatic string. Magical bell. Why dual lead? Here's with the American. With the lead setting, is it really kind of seems to help having the having an amp on, having maybe a little bit of a gain or whatnot, at least helps the signal clear up. Here's dirty organ. Here it is on its own. Sequence 1. I'll add in some of the guitar and direct level. Here is phased strings. Here's it on its own. Here is rotary fast, another organ. Here is bubble. Here it is with the American. Here is the sequence pad. Here's the American S brass. I'm not sure what the S is for. Synth brass. Mustache is tickling my nose. It's detuned strings. Here's Arpeggio 9. Here's Rhythm Bass 8th. Arpeggio 1. Square lead, octave up. Square lead. Sync lead. The American. Sync lead. Preset 25 is sine lead. tone. One moment. All right, let's continue. 26, brassy lead. 27 is tri-lead. 28, whistly lead. 29, fifth lead. 30 is octave lead. 's with the Joyo. Here's octave lead 2. PWM lead, that's pulse width modulation. Here's filter lead 1. Cello lead. Oct lead 3. Is with the Joyo American. This is the ring mod lead. Here's the filter lead. Filter lead 2, I'm sorry. It's the soft pad. I'll turn off the Joyo. Add a lot of direct level. Attacking lead. Here is sequencer and noise lead. Or squared plus noise lead, I'm sorry. PWM lead 2. Here is attacking lead. Again, that's on 41. Did a short video with this one a bit ago. Here is saw pad on 42. Here's orchestral pad on 43. With the Joyo. Heavy pad on 44. Synth brass on 45. Synth brass 2 on 46. 47 is phased pad. 48 is slow sweep. This is it on its own without the Joyo. 49 is synth brass 3. Here is voice pad for the 50th reset. with the Joyo. That is the first 50 presets of the Boss SY-200. Just a short sample of each. I tend to think that of the different variations, of the different types of variations, the variations of those, they sound very similar. There's a pretty good range here though if you wanted to tweak and edit, and hopefully this gives you a good view of what you can do with the pedal and the stepping stones that the presets provide, and kind of the difference between the brass sounds and the pad sounds, the lead sounds and the dual sounds. I personally don't think this is gonna really replace a keyboard player as far as the array of sounds that you can get. There's definitely going to be some kind of more diverse keyboard, especially piano and electric piano type sounds that you can get with a keyboard player. But this, I think, would fill the void if you were, say, a synth pop band, maybe a sort of cover band, classic rock style band. You're playing some Journey songs, you're playing some Styx songs. You don't have a keyboard player, you need some keyboard type sounds to fill that void. This will do the trick, and I think it'll do it easier than a lot of other pedals. I do think you get some similar sounds and tones using like filter and pitch shift effects and kind of combining those together with your multi-effects processors or with your pedal boards. So I would experiment with those and see if you can get in the ballpark of these kind of sounds, and you're happy with that before investing in this. But also, if you're a gigging band, this is $300, so you can't really go wrong. It does sound good. It does have a lot of variations, a lot of different kinds of sounds. So if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and let me know what other kinds of effects you'd like to see. I don't know if I'm going to do too many more videos with the SY-200, but maybe not. There's some fun sounds on it. Take care, guys, and girls, and everybody.